In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate text in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. First, it's important to know that normal text typed or pasted into a Word document can't be freely rotated. To rotate text, we're going to have to use a text box or shape. First, I'm just going to select all this text and cut it. Then I'm going to click Insert, click Text Box, and then Simple Text Box. From here, I'm going to paste back in that text from before. Press Ctrl V. Now it's pasted back in. I'm just going to zoom out a little bit so we can see it. And I'm just going to stretch it so it fits back onto my page. And then I'm just going to move it until I'm happy. From here, I'm just going to reduce the size of the text. And then I'm going to drag in the size a little bit more. And then just position in the middle. And then we can select the turn dial at the top. Click and rotate your mouse until you're happy with the rotation of the text. If you don't want the border around the text box, but keep the text in place, we select the text box once. Don't worry if it goes back into position. This just allows us to easily edit the text. When you select out of it, it will go back to its rotated position. Click Shape Format, Shape Outline, and No Outline. And then when I click out, like I said before, it will revert back to the way you rotated it. If you don't want to freely rotate it using this dial, you can click Shape Format and then click Rotate. And here there's lots of different rotating options to pick from. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about how to format your text in Microsoft Word, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.